Hey everybody, Reagan Archibald here, and I just want to talk to you about the Healthcare Multipliers group. There's some of the biggest struggles that we have as business owners and as healthcare entrepreneurs is just trying to sort out all of the chaos from what's predictable and really looking at how we can multiply our efforts in effective ways. Because what I find is you can multiply a mistake and you can multiply that, and that can have 10x of the results that you don't want. That might be the way you communicate with your team members. It might be the way you're hiring. It might even be the way that you're administering your billing and your administrative side. But then on the flip side, there's ways that you can 10x the improvements in the results you're trying to get. And what the Healthcare Multipliers group is intended to do is to get you to multiply in the right direction. And so I look at this as one of the most important aspects and the linchpin of us achieving our mission, which is to end pain and end chronic disease for 1 million people by 2025. So we've got this massive mission. And what I realized we need time to just mind share. We need time to dump all the thoughts and ideas out of our brain and get it into a workable solution. So what we did at the last Healthcare Multipliers group is the very beginning of the day, we said, what could we do to improve your business 1% per day for the next 100 days? And then we worked with a partner, and what we discovered is that all of us had these brilliant ideas that were coming out, very simple ideas and very simple tools. And many of us were able to start working together in a very close-knit way. And so then you have an accountability partner built in. And so that's what we did in the beginning of the day. We paused, we went snowboarding, skiing, some of us went hiking. And then in the afternoon, what we did is they took the 4 buckets of your company, of your business. And if you look at it in the most simplistic way, there's just 4 things you focus on when it comes to your business. Number 1 is you want to focus on a good marketing program. If you have no marketing, no new patients, that's going to be a big problem, right? So we went through some of the genius ideas that we had, like the one-day summit, which is a brilliant idea, getting more online, getting better pre-education, all these things in the marketing. Step 2, we went through sales, which marketing is storytelling, marketing's connecting. But then once they get in front of you, then the sell is where you get somebody emotionally engaged and intellectually committed to a future result that's better for them. And so that's what sells is, just simply allowing a person to explain the future result they would like to get while working with you. And so we talked about some of the brilliant things in sales. And then the third is your delivery. So how are you delivering your services? Are you providing a 4 Seasons experience? You guys know I went and stayed at the 4 Seasons over the summer just to experiment for you, so you guys could get some of the wisdom of the 4 Seasons. And I actually love the vacation, but yes, that's a side note. But anyway, we talked about the delivery, how you can offer this predictable experience every single time, not just when they come as a new patient, but every time someone walks in your door. And then the 4th pillar is going to be profit centers. Now, this is one of the most exciting areas of our practice, because if we're going to help 1 million people by 2025, you all need to be profitable. We need 1,000 clinics that are completely connected to this vision and this purpose. And so if you're receiving this video, it's because I want you to be a part of this mission, this vision, and I want you to have a structure where you can actually clear your brain and you can learn from some of the best of the best. We've got Dr. Rudy Garman. He's one of the chair people of the Healthcare Multipliers group. I'm the conversation leader. I just ask questions. I'm not delivering the content. I'm just asking you to get in touch with your deeper truth. And then, of course, you've got Cade, and then you've got our entire Go Wellness team who's keeping notes, and they're the scribes, so that you have someone to fall back on when you're wondering, what did I commit to? What am I supposed to be doing over the next 100 days? They'll help you. So this group, this program, it's $2,500 per event. We have 4 per year. You can pay up front and we give you a 20% discount, or you can just pay as you go if you can't make it to all 4. It's no problem. But what this looks like is you're going to get, we're going to have this online group. So you'll have an online discussion in Kajabi. You're going to have a platform there. You're going to get a support person, either Kirsten or Annie or Christy. They're going to be your support person for this. And then you're going to have constant new insights and constant new generation. You guys know that I spent over $170,000 last year just on getting myself up to speed, just getting all the knowledge that I possibly could so I could share the best wisdom as possible with you guys. So what we've decided to do on the Healthcare Multipliers, for those of you who would like to do this, what we've done is we've have it on Thursdays. So on Thursdays, before the sessions kick off, we have 4 sessions a year, we're going to have this event. And so I hope it becomes something that's very transformative for you. We're going to have the dates at the bottom here, so get registered, get connected, and I can't wait to see you at the next Healthcare Multipliers group, which is going to be February 28th. It's going to be after the Perinatal Stem Cell Conference, but then we'll have it again on the Thursday before all these events. So love you guys.